So we are here. Let's see. Okay, we have people. Let's wait few, I would say, minute just to let them join. Let's people join. Okay. Okay. We have a lot of people joining now.
20.
Yep. So, hi everyone. Thank you for joining this session. And I am happy to have today with us Mark Bruins. He's senior business analyst and mentor, and he can help you to develop your business analysis skills. But today he will give you a lot of interesting insights about AI and business analysis. Mark, the stage is yours.
Thank you very much for introducing me. Hello, Mark Bruins from South Africa, the third person from South Africa. Let me just start by sharing my screen, moving my windows around, and I hope everybody can see my screen. Great, let's get started. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my discussion on the topic, Embracing AI in Business Analysis, a journey towards future-proof strategies. In this rapidly evolving landscape of technology and advancement, it's imperative for us as business analysts to adapt and thrive in the era of AI. That's what we're all discussing here today. We're all joined here to discuss AI. As we embark on this exploration, let's first understand why embracing AI is not just an option, but it's actually become a necessity for staying relevant in today's competitive environment. Who am I? Well, I'm Mark Bruins, business analyst, mentor, and career strategist, and I'm honored to be here virtually today. I come with 40 plus years worth of IT experience. Now, you might be thinking, 40 years? Where do you get 40 years from? So I'm turning 60 next month. I started working as a programmer and an operator and in a banking environment in the early 1980s. So that was a long time ago. In the past, I've had 25 jobs. 15 of those were contract positions, 8 of them in the United Kingdom. So I'm very pro moving from permanent to being contractor because the money's good and because the lifestyle is really good. I've been BCS certified in 2015, 2016, and I've been a business analyst for over 10 years. I've also been a project manager, so I'm certified as a project manager as well. And what I do now is I mentor business analysts to elevate their careers through my company, BA Masterminds Limited. So we launched the company in April of 2019. We've been going just over 5 years. It's myself, the facilitator. I've got 5 back office staff. And what we do is we don't teach business analysis, but we help you to elevate your career. And we've got different programs, copper, bronze, silver, gold, platinum, impact, all these different types of programs. So I don't teach business analysis. I do gap analysis before and after, and we work out the action steps to get you from your as-is to your to-be, your one-year to-be. And if you need any theoretical training, then I'll send you to one of our strategic alliance partners who are authorized training providers, and then you'll get theoretical knowledge from them. But we reinvent you on social media and on job site platforms. So that's what we do. And most importantly, I have 2 children, Jess and Gordon. Okay, let's look at the problem statement. So as business analysts, we face a myriad of challenges as technologies evolve. The pace of change demands that we equip ourselves with the latest tools and techniques to navigate this dynamic landscape. Failure to do so risks our relevance and effectiveness in driving business outcomes. So the question arises, how do we ensure our continued employability in the face of such rapid transformation? Okay. Now, let's go through the approach. To address this question, let's delve into a comprehensive framework for integrating artificial intelligence into our business analysis practices. And now we're going to explore 7 key pillars. Let me just take a swig of water. The first one you probably know of, predictive analytics. This is when forecasting customer behavior and market trends and business outcomes. Then we get prescriptive analytics, which is optimizing outcomes through data-driven recommendations. We're going to discuss augmented analytics, which is automating data preparation, insight discovery, pattern identification, and so on. Then machine learning. I've heard quite a few speakers today already bring in machine learning, which is uncovering insights, automating tasks, and enhancing decision-making. NLP, I'm sure you've all heard of this by now, natural language processing. This is extracting insights from textual data to understand sentiment and key themes. The second last one, number 6, is AI-assisted data visualization. And this is enhancing insights through visual representation. And the final one is automated reporting and dashboards. This is where we streamline information access for sharing for informed business decision-making. Okay, I'm going to now dive into these one by one, these 7 key pillars, and we're going to go into one by one into a lot more detail. So let's start with the first one, which was predictive analytics. Now, this involves using historical data, statistical algorithms, and machine learning techniques. And what we do is we forecast future events or behaviors. In the realm of business analysis, predictive analytics enables professionals to anticipate customer behavior. We identify market trends, and we also predict business outcomes. And we do this through analyzing past data, such as customer interactions or sales history and market trends. And predictive analytics models can generate insights. These help businesses make informed decisions and develop proactive strategies. It's good to be proactive. I don't like being reactive. Okay, let's get into the second one, prescriptive analytics. Now, this goes beyond predicting future outcomes by providing data-driven recommendations on how to optimize those outcomes. Now, this involves analyzing various scenarios, identifying the best course of action, and recommending specific strategies to achieve desired objectives. In business analysis, prescriptive analytics helps professionals make informed decisions by providing actionable insights based on data analysis. And by leveraging perspective analytics, organizations can optimize processes, they can allocate resources effectively, and which turns out to maximize business performance. Okay, let's get into the third one, which is augmented analytics. Now, this combines machine learning with NLP and other AI techniques to automate data preparation, insight discovery, and even pattern identification. This approach empowers business analysts to extract meaningful insights from large data sets more effectively and accurately and efficiently. Augmented analytics tools assist in cleansing data, in feature selection and model building, enabling analysts to focus on interpreting results and deriving actionable insights. By automating repetitive tasks, and that's what we want to do, we want to get rid of those repetitive tasks, and we also want to streamline the analytics processes. Augmented analytics enhances the productivity and effectiveness of our business analysis efforts. Wonderful. Let's go on to ML, machine learning. Now, this involves algorithms and statistical models to analyze the data, to uncover patterns and make predictions without explicit programming instructions. We don't have to learn how to code. In the context of business analysis, machine learning techniques can be applied to various tasks. For example, customer segmentation, demand forecasting, and even risk assessment. By leveraging machine learning algorithms, we analysts can uncover insights. We can automate repetitive tasks and enhance decision-making processes. ML models can adapt and improve over time, thereby enabling organizations to gain deeper insights and drive better business outcomes. One of my favorites, the NLP. This is a branch of AI that focuses on understanding and interpreting human language. In business analysis, NLP techniques are used to extract insights from textual data such as customer reviews and social media posts and even emails. By analyzing this text data, the NLP algorithms can identify sentiment. They can extract key themes and they can uncover valuable insights that inform decision-making processes. NLP-powered analytics tools enable us business analysts to gain a deeper understanding from unstructured text data and incorporate it into our analysis. Okay, let's move on to number 6, AI-assisted data visualization. Now, this combines AI with data visualization techniques to enhance insights through visual representation. This approach leverages algorithms to automatically generate visualizations that highlight important patterns, trends, and even relationships between the different data sets. By using AI-assisted data visualization tools, we business analysts can create interactive dashboards and charts and graphs, and that can facilitate data exploration and even communication. So these visualizations enable stakeholders to understand complex data more easily and derive actionable insights from it. See, I pushed that button a bit soon. I've got 2 screens here. I'm not too sure when the slides come up. All right. I hope everyone's still staying with me. Let's go through the last one. That's the automated reporting and dashboards. Now, these streamline the process of accessing data, analyzing, and sharing information for informed decision-making. Now, by automating repetitive reporting tasks, we business analysts can save time and resources while ensuring data accuracy and consistency, and that's very important. Automated reporting tools, they generate reports and dashboards based on predefined criteria, thereby allowing analysts to quickly visualize key metrics. We track performance, and more importantly, then we can identify trends. Now, these reports and dashboards, they can be shared with stakeholders across the organization, enabling data-driven decision-making at all levels. And when I talk about these tracking performance and identifying trends, perhaps when there is a shoe sales company and they know they need to manufacture shoes and they need to deliver it to the shop. So now they've got manufacturing, they've got shops, they've got storage, they've got logistics in between. Now, basically, if there's a lot of shoes size 10 that sell out during December, they need to plan for this. And this is where identifying trends comes in handy, when they can plan ahead so that they know in December the trend is that a lot of white size shoes will be sold, and they can let the manufacturing division know that they need to produce a lot more of those shoes. So this is how it can help in the real world. Okay, let's go through incorporating insights. Now, drawing from our recent discussions, let's illustrate how these techniques are applied in real world scenarios. Yeah. Now, let's discuss first predictive analytics in marketing strategy optimization. So imagine a retail company looking to optimize its marketing strategy for the upcoming holiday season. By leveraging predictive analytics, the company can analyze historical sales data, customer demographics, and online engagement metrics to forecast demand for specific products and identify trends in consumer behavior, much like what I was mentioning about those shoes. This information allows the company to allocate marketing resources more effectively. They can also personalize promotions based on individual preferences and optimize pricing strategies to maximize revenue. By anticipating customer needs and preferences, the company can stay ahead of competitors and drive sales growth during peak periods. Excellent. Let's go take a look at an example of a manufacturing company. Okay, so for this one, we are going to discuss prescriptive analytics in supply chain management. Now, as I said, we're going to use a manufacturing company, and let's say that the company faces the challenges of optimizing its supply chain to minimize costs and to maximize efficiency. Now, using prescriptive analytics, the company can analyze data from various sources, and that includes supplier performance and inventory levels and even transportation logistics. And they use that to identify bottlenecks and inefficiencies in the supply chain. Now, prescriptive analytics models can then recommend specific actions to optimize these inventory levels, to streamline the procurement processes, and even to improve transportation routes. By following these recommendations, the company can reduce lead times, they can lower their holding costs, and enhance overall supply chain performance. And that's, at the end of the day, that's what you want to do. You want to make sure that your company beats the competition, and therefore you can drop the prices and not run out of stock. Very important. Okay. NLP, in customer feedback analysis. So for this one, we are going to use a hospitality company, and let's say they receive a large volume of customer feedback through online reviews, social media comments, and even customer surveys. By applying this natural language processing techniques, the company can analyze this unstructured text data to extract valuable insights about the customer preferences, about their satisfaction levels and their pain points. This is where NLP algorithms can automatically categorize feedback based on sentiment and identifying recurring themes and topics and highlight areas for improvement. Now, armed with this information, the company can make data-driven decisions to enhance customer experience, even to address service issues and basically to improve overall satisfaction. Okay, let's go to the fourth one, the last one. This is the AI-powered data visualization for intuitive decision-making. We're going to use, as an example, an e-commerce platform. Now, let's say that this e-commerce platform, they want to empower its business analysis to make data-driven decisions. They want to make them more effective. So they're going to implement AI-powered data visualization tools. We'll get to the tools just now in a little while. And then the platform can automatically generate interactive dashboards and visualizations. And these will they'll highlight the key performance metrics, customer trends, and even product sales data. Now, these visualizations use advanced algorithms to identify patterns and outliers and even correlations in the data. And that makes it easier for us analysts to identify insights and communicate our findings to stakeholders. By providing intuitive visual representations of complex data, AI-powered data visualization tools enable faster, more informed decision-making right across the organization. Now, in each of these scenarios, the application of advanced analytics techniques, such as predictive analytics and prescriptive analytics and NLP and the AI that we discussed, this demonstrates how business can leverage data to drive strategic decision-making. They can improve operational efficiency, and they can enhance customer experiences in today's competitive landscape. Wonderful. Okay, let's now talk about some companies, and let's explore some of the leading AI platforms and tools that are tailored for us business analysts. I'm sure this is what we're all interested in. All right. Now, the 5 platforms that we're going to take a look at today are, you probably heard of most of these already. Maybe you haven't heard of 1 or 2 of them, but the first one we're going to cover is Azure Machine Learning. And then I'm also going to discuss Cognos Analytics, and then Oracle Analytics Cloud, Salesforce. Everybody knows Salesforce. It's getting really big in the world, and they've got Einstein Analytics. And then the last one is Splunk. That's quite a new platform, a new startup platform. Well, not anymore. So let's get stuck straight into it. Let's start with the Azure. So it's Microsoft. It's a Microsoft product. It's a cloud-based platform, and it provides a comprehensive set of tools and services for building and for training and for deploying different machine learning models. It offers a range of capabilities, included automated machine learning, data pre-processing, model training, and even model deployment. Now, Azure Machine Learning also integrates seamlessly with other Microsoft Azure services, such as Azure Databricks, Azure SQL database, and this enables us business analysts to leverage scalable computer resources and advanced analytics capabilities. Okay, Cognos, it's by IBM, and it's a business intelligence and analytics platform that empowers business analysts to create interactive dashboards. It's got reporting functionality and visualizations, and it comes from a diverse data sources. It also offers self-service analytics capabilities, and this allows the users to explore data, to discover insights, and to share findings with stakeholders. Cognos Analytics also includes advanced analytical features, such as predictive modeling, scenario planning, and this enables us to uncover hidden patterns and trends in the data, the business data, and thereby we can make data-driven decisions. All right, let's get into Oracle. Oracle has got Oracle Analytics Cloud, and this again is a cloud-based analytics platform, and this provides a comprehensive suite of tools for data visualization, self-service analytics, and augmented analytics. This offers capabilities for data preparation, predictive analysis, and even natural language processing. And this allows us business analysts to derive insights from the data of the companies quickly and easily. Oracle Analytics Cloud also integrates with Oracle's broader ecosystem of cloud services, and this enables seamless data integration and collaboration across the organization. Okay, Salesforce. Everybody knows this one. So it's Einstein Analytics. This is an AI-powered analytics platform. It's integrated with Salesforce's suite of CRM, customer relationship management tools. It offers advanced analytics capabilities, including predictive forecasting and anomaly detection and automated insights. And this enables us business analysts to uncover actionable insights from customer data. Now, Einstein Analytics also includes features for data visualization, dashboarding, and collaborating, allowing business analysts to share insights and drive decision-making across the organization. I was a bit fast there with my fingers. Let's get on to Splunk. I see the time's running away with me. So this is a leading platform for real-time operational intelligence and machine data analytics. It enables business analysts to collect and to index and to analyze large volumes of machine-generated data from diverse sources, such as from IT systems, from different applications, even the Internet of Things devices. It offers powerful search and analytical capabilities, as well as advanced machine learning algorithms for anomaly detection, for root cause analysis, and even predictive maintenance. Now, by leveraging Splunk's platform, we business analysts can gain valuable insights into our organization's operational performance, security, posture, and the customer behavior. And myself as a contractor, I can go into various companies and use these tools of my choice and just share the output and the learnings with the different stakeholders. Now, each of these platforms offer unique features and benefits, and this empowers us to harness the power of artificial intelligence in our analysis. Okay, great. Let's go through the last three talking points. So what can we gain? Let's have a look at the results. So what can we expect to gain from embracing AI in business analysis? So firstly, there's practical insights, there's enhanced decision-making capabilities, and even sustained competitiveness in the dynamic business landscape. Now, by leveraging cutting-edge technologies, we can optimize outcomes and we can stay ahead of the curve. And that's basically what I'm trying to help my mentees with, is to stay ahead of the curve. Be sure that you guarantee your job as a business analyst. Somebody in an earlier thing said, earlier presentation, 10 years. So I like that one. 10 years from now, our jobs are safe. But what about after 10 years? I'll be retired, but my masterminds will still be working. Okay, let's go through the conclusion. So just to recap the key takeaways from our discussion today. Embracing AI is not just about keeping up with the latest trends, right? It's about future-proofing our strategies and driving innovation in our field. Now, by collaborating and innovating and adopting a forward-thinking approach, we can shape the future of business analysis and unlock new opportunities for success. I also heard in one of the talks with Angela and Adrian about the entire SDLC, that it's not just business analysis that's going to, business analysts, our job that's going to get affected, but it's throughout the entire system or software development lifecycle, from the business to the project team to the subject matter experts. Everybody is going to be affected by AI, especially ChatGPT, because I saw now, I got a pop-up on Microsoft that the next version is going to have AI integrated to all of its tools, Word, PowerPoint, Excel. So you can just say to Microsoft Word, develop a business case for the new CRM system for the marketing department of 30 pages. And in split seconds, there it is. So it's the entire SDLC that's going to be affected by this. Okay, let's do closing remarks. So thank you all for your participation today. I encourage you to apply the insights gained from the session in your professional endeavors. And together, let's embrace AI and pave the way for a future of endless possibilities in business analysis. Thank you very much. It's been an honor to be here, and reach out to me on LinkedIn. You can find me, Mark Bruins, at BA Masterminds, and I look forward to networking with like-minded professionals. Let me see if I can take any questions. Stop share. Let's see. Somehow you keep moving to the next slide before we saw the last bullet point of each slide. I do apologize. I'm on my own over here. I don't have an assistant with me to go through it. So anybody else have any other questions? That's more of a statement than a question, but it's taken to heart. Thank you very much. I appreciate that comment. Anybody else have any questions or anything that they want to add or say? I'm not even sure where I can see this. I can see a webinar chat. Let me open up the Q&A. Q&A says no questions and new skills to learn the BA. Love the speech. Thanks. Thanks, Yuri. New skills to learn the business analyst. Right. So I always say that every business analyst should know 5 software applications really well. And I'll say them in priority order: Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft Outlook, PowerPoint, and Visio. Because as a business analyst, you'll get a corporate computer. There'll always be Office if it's a medium to large size company. If it's a small company with a low budget, then they'll give you Google Workspace. It used to be G Suite, and you get Gmail and calendar and things like that. Now it's easier to transfer your skills from Office to Google Workspace compared to if you know Google Workspace really well, spreadsheets and Google Docs and Gmail and Google Calendar, to go to Office. Now, Office is taking off. As I said, AI is going to be integrated with this. And again, I can't stress enough that Excel is probably the best tool to gather functional and non-functional requirements. You need a word processor to be able to write business cases, business requirement specifications, benefits realization, lessons learned. You need a word processor. And then Outlook. People overlook Outlook, but that's your collaboration tool. That's where you facilitate meetings and book resources like meeting rooms. And for stakeholder management, you have a global address book. Whenever somebody emails you or you email somebody, look them up in the global address book, put them in your personal address book, and there you have everybody that you've ever dealt with in the company in your personal address book. And that is stakeholder management. That's where you can manage the stakeholders. So that's what I say, new skills to learn. The new Microsoft Office version that's coming out, I suggest you go to Udemy or YouTube, and you go learn the latest techniques, but just play around with it. I mean, you need theoretical knowledge and practical experience. Subscribe to Office on a monthly basis. You'll get automated with the latest versions, and then just use that and just learn from the Office tools, because that's very important. Also PowerPoint, you're doing presentations and things like for that, for management. It's got a lot of, you can integrate all the Office tools as well. So you can put an Excel spreadsheet, you can embed that into PowerPoint or into Microsoft Word. So learn the integration of those software applications too. But very good question, Radik. I hope that answered your question. Anybody else have any questions? All right. Thank you. I think we'll end it there. Thanks for the thumbs up, everybody, and enjoy the rest of today's presentation. Thank you. I think I must hit